you will not achieve the success that you want to be if you are inconsistent. So actually consistency is very important. It will change your life forever. You know what? One of my problem is inconsistency. My dream is to become consistent, very consistent, but I do not have the capacity to be consistent because I am very inconsistent. And that is one of the reason nganong nga akong kinabuhi dili successful right now because being consistent is very important to achieve success because it will compound, ma-compound siya, mag-plus plus siya hantod makabot niya ang success. But if you are inconsistent, dili ka consistent, ang mahitabo ana, you go from one thing to then another, then another, then another, and you will not finish something and you cannot achieve success on that. It is because you keep on starting and not doing it in the long time so that you will gain success, you will gain momentum on that thing. But if you are inconsistent, you are doomed. Now the problem is how to be consistent. Why are then the question is why are you inconsistent? How inconsistent you are? You know what? Consistency is very important. And for me, it's everything. Kung consistent pa lang ko sa ako ang negosyo, layo na kay kog naabtan karon. Kung consistent lang ko sa akong trabaho, layo na kay kog naabtan karon. Kung consistent lang ko sa ako ang personal development or my habits, good habits, layo na kay kog naabtan karon. So, but always, all the time, I am inconsistent. That's why I'm getting even harder to get success in my life. That is how very important consistency is in your life. When you start something, you need to make it sure that you are consistent on of it until nga sa panahon nga naa siya'y resulta nga ikahatag. But if you are inconsistent as even you are very smart, even you are very rich, even you are very successful, if you are inconsistent, you will magkakaproblema at maghihirapan ka, you will be having hard time to get the success that you want. So the story of myself is that I am actually inconsistent for the very I am very inconsistent since I was young. It broke my heart being inconsistent. Since I want to achieve success, better life, and better in my finances, but it's always having a problem because of being inconsistent. I have a lot of business. I can create great business, big businesses in my field only. But since it is because I am inconsistent, the business that I am starting, wala gid siya padulungan. They will end up dead. They will end up. I am quitting it, and it's so frustrating. What can possibly the solution for that? Ano kaya ang pwedeng maging solusyon to become a little bit consistent? It seems like my brain is not wired for consistency. But without consistency, you will be having a lot of problem to achieve the success you want to be. One of the reason why you are inconsistent, I am inconsistent, maybe because of distraction. What are the practical solutions? In your mind, you need to accept. that you are inconsistent, and there is a way you must do something like you need to understand, or you need to accept that you are inconsistent, and you need to know and be aware of being inconsistent, because when you were aware, you have a chance to control yourself and make a possible way, and put that in mind, that we need to finish what you started. You need to finish it. So unsa man na siya pagkabuot, no? Ang pagkabuot ana, you need to have a very big why. Why, no? Naa kay dapat gitawag nga why, or kanang bitawng dako kay nga rason. A very important reason why you need to continue that thing on yourself. One of the technique to become consistent is that you build a habit. One of the practical solution is that you need to list something. You need to use a notebook or list. You will be reminded of that you need to be consistent when you take your notes. Or you need to have a habit tracker, so that you can track that you are now not doing the thing, you are not doing the consistent thing when you have a checklist or a note, because when you have the checklist, you will remember that you need to do it, because there is a list that you will check, para makabalo ka nga anong adlaw nabuhat nimo na. Sometimes being inconsistent is kinahanglan siya og kanang deep reason, no? Ito lang, if you want to achieve, to become an honor pupil, so you need to be consistent in doing great in school. But when your motivation is just too small, or too vague, or not that important, you will go away. You cannot follow your hindi mo you will not follow being consistent when your motivation is very kanang gamay ra gyud motivation, kanang dili deep, no, dili kanang isog nga ang imong motivation para mahimong consistent kung gusto nimong unsay gusto nimong kabuton. Kay kung wala gyud ang motivation, mapalong na pud na imong mga pangandoy, mapalong na pud na imong gustong buhaton in true consistency, and mapalong na pud na imong success. So because they think that why I am doing it, ganung buhaton na ako ni nga wala man ipulos ako so they will stop. But if you have this very big motivation, or very huge reason to continue what you are doing, to continue to be consistent enough, even though it's very hard for you to be consistent. But if you do that, you have a why power, what we call that, the why power, based from Darren Hardy, my favorite author. That yeah, you must have a very big why to continue to become consistent with what you do to achieve the biggest goal that you intend to be. Finally, yeah, it's too hard to be consistent. Yes, I know that. I know that I am very inconsistent person. I am the king of inconsistency. But actually, I keep on fighting. I keep on doing my best, even though I don't have the capacity to do that. I keep on doing my very best, because I know that when I become inconsistent, there will be a problem. There will be a problem with your life. You will not achieve the success that you want to be if you are inconsistent. So actually consistency is very important. it will change your life forever. So let's do everything we got to be consistent or our on our dreams, to be consistent on our goals, because that's the one of the only thing that you will have the success that you are looking for. So let's keep on fighting, even though it's hard. Keep on trying. Yeah, we are the keep trying channel, and this is what we do. Even though we don't have the capacity, we are very distracted. We continue to fight. We continue to still try and do our very best just to be consistent with our plans, with everything we got. Because yeah, because when the time that we are consistent, that's the time that it will change yourself. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Let's talk more about still trying so hard in life. Goodbye. Thank you.